Rap God, rap God. I'm gonna get this one chance. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Let's go. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. Now who think their arms are long enough to slap bug, slap bug? They say I rap like a robot, so call me rap bug. But for me to rap like a computer must be my gene. I got a laptop, my back pocket, I'm filled off and I half cocky. Get a fat nut from that rap profit, made a living getting off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was in office, with money I live in skiffing nine. It's not say I'm an MC till it's honest, but it's true that this is so hell. Tell about skillaholic, this hippity hip hop. You didn't really wanna get there. It's with the rap back in the Mac, in the back of the air, backpack, rap crack, yeah, get the air. Now they the same time, I attempt this lyric, I best time, what I practice in there. I was able to break motherfucking table for the back of the cop, the peg, and the guy to have. Only realized it was ironic, I was signed to aftermath after the fact. How could it not blow out of this drop F-bomb? Film a rap with black rappers are having a rough time period. Has some maxi pad, it's actually disastrous impact. For the rap or masterful constructing this masterpiece, yeah. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. Now who think their arms are long enough to slap bug, slap bug? Let me show you maintaining this shit ain't that hard, that hard. Everybody with a keen to say it to rap more talented like I have got. Whether we go for the blueprint, to the race and you feel exuberance. Everybody love the roof for the nation, shit I like an extra and deep. Nothing but to the moon since I'm just got to get to school with this music, cause I use it as a vehicle to bust the rhyme. Now in new school full of students. Me, I'm a proud that I rock him, like him some boss to packin'. W.A. keep hey that cringe that easy, thank you, they got him. Inspired enough to when they grow up, blow up and be in a position to meet Run DMC, induct them into the motherfucking rockin'. Roll Hall of Fame, in the wall walking, it's such and version, Hall of Fame and Hall of Fame. I'll be inducted in the Alcohol of Fame. What do I was saying? You facting is all a game. Did a rocket flock of flames, off a plankin'. Tell me what in the fuck are you thinking? You get it, boy, so gay I could barely see with step face, boy. Even if you master curly watching it just gather to take place, boy. Oh, you invaded boys, gay, that's all they say, licky boy. You get a thumbs up back on the back and they wait to go from 11 every day, licky boy. Hey, licky boy, what you say, licky boy? Get a hey, yeah, from day, licky boy. I'm work for everything I had, never asked nobody to see it at my face, licky boy. Basically, boy, never gonna be capable to be keeping up with the same pace, licky boy. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. The way I'm racing around the track, I'm in NASCAR, NASCAR. Dead in heart of the trailer, park the white trash god, trash god. So once in a while, I wanna make sure somewhere this can scratch, I scrap and do the enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta give you a few punchlines just in case, cause even the unsigned the rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know they was there with one side, was king of the underground, but I still rap on my own, my favorite man's ground, so I can't rhyme. So sometime when it comes by, happy with the skin color out my, you get too big and it can't try to censor you like one lie. I say, oh, and I'm back with a man that LP. Oh, and I try to see, I think 7 is some kind of blind. With a more than light, a record for the 7, evolving 9-9. If so, why don't you try some of this motherfucker? Some of them are the one who use me. I'm a human, what I gotta do to get with you? I'm superhuman, ain't everything in a mirror. But so do anything you say, you can say enough for me that it will good to you. I'm the dream, more than ever demonstrating how to get a motherfucking audience. I feel like you really think you never fit it in another hit. That's a forever waiting for the day you say. I feel like they be silly, but they cause another way to get it motivated. I'm elevating music, you may elevate the music. Oh, he's too mainstream, but that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found my elevator fusion. With rock, sakra, with dark, try to lose yourself and make a lose it. I don't know how to make something like that, I don't know what words to use. Let me know when it curse you while repeating one of the verses should be skirting. I'm a devoted heart in you. How many verses got a murder to? Prove that if you were half as nice your song, you can sacrifice verses into. Okay, if you got the nerve, you can reply me. I'm waiting.